Hello and welcome to this video about a Enlightened Audio Designs Theatre Master Signature Edition. This is an absolute top of the range unit from Enlightened Audio Designs, and as you see there's a lot of advertising of the things and technologies employed in this unit. I purchased it because, well, I had a DVD master here before and I was very impressed with its abilities. Let me first turn it on, and I'm just learning here, not that one, you have to go there and I think there, and hopefully now I can, if I press, turn on some music, it will start playing. You see the star there. I think it tells me that it is synced, and then we can increase the volume on it. Okay, this goes crazy loud because the voltage is, I think, like 6 volts on single-handed and double that on balanced. So I got it not only because it was the DVD master was a really surprisingly good unit, and I was very impressed with it, with the built and you know, technology and the way it handled discs. But when I looked up what's in there, I didn't know what was in the other one, but I knew that in the Theatre Master are my all favorite chips. Those who watch my channel know that I'm a big fan of Burr-Brown 1702 laser trim resistor ladder DACs, and this unit has 6 of them. So one obviously per each channel, and in addition it has a Pacific Microsonics HDCD decoders, PMD 100s, and of course I'm also a great fan of HDCD. So I thought, well, maybe that will be my thing in front of my home theater setup, like in system number 2. Or maybe even system number 1, because it has a balanced output, so maybe I'll use it as a stereo DAC. Who knows? Who knows if it's that good? We're listening now to HDCD discs, but there is no acknowledgement of it on display, which I don't know if this is right or not. I'm a novice on this. There is a huge book, 50 pages of it, on how to set it up, and I'll probably have to clear the setup done by the previous owner and start anew and maybe that will then show what it is reading. Other than HDCD, I've noticed in here that we have a DTS setup, you know, on that board, and also right next to it there's a Dolby chip. So obviously this is all used for home theater. This unit has been upgraded at huge expense to the previous owner. Spent over $1,000 US, and he went to the people who used to work at Enlightened Audio Designs, and then after it folded they set up their own new company. So as you can see, there's good gold fuse there. There are some fast switching diodes in the power supply, and full of black gates. So it was like $300 for those black gates, and it's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11 of them. Balanced output, as you see, it's done there on silver wiring in Teflon coating, and there are some other mods that I have no idea what they are. They are, you know, done, you know, like LP mod and some other mods on balanced output. I have no idea what does it all mean. Maybe it will all become clear once I read the manual. As a lot of multi-channel units these days comes with the microphone, so it will read the room and adjust itself accordingly. Well, comes with very nice remote, which I'm yet to know more about and how to use it. At the back we have rows and rows of digital outputs. These are the ones on the bottom, including the AT&T glass optical, then the analog inputs, and then balance there, and plus unbalanced for 6+1, and also tape monitor and digital output out of that if you want to drive something else. I have no idea what and how. So that's about all. I don't know any more about it. When I do, I will, and if it's interesting, I'll do another video. If anybody out there knows something interesting about this unit, well, please do let me know. And thank you very much for your attention, and till the next one. Bye-bye.